if you're using safety eyes, don't secure them until you have made the embroidery of the white marking. So insert the safety eye, both safety eyes if you want. Don't secure them yet. Watch the part of the video tutorial in which we embroider the white marking, then secure the safety eyes. So if you're embroidering the black part of the eyes, then you will need black embroidery floss and a large-eyed sewing needle or darning needle and scissors. You could do all of this in the end or later on the closed and stuffed amigurumi. I'm just doing this step now so that I can show also the safety eye users how to make the white part of the embroidery. But if you embroider the whole eyes, then feel free to do this step later if you prefer. Either way, it's very easy. We just need a short piece of black embroidery floss, 6 inches or 15 centimeters might already be enough. Should be enough. So we thread this on our needle. And with embroidery, we don't want to go through in between crocheted stitches. We want to catch the fibers. So I'm moving this marked yarn aside a bit. And I don't go through the same gap where we placed it, but on either side, behind it or in front, doesn't matter. You can go through from the inside out with the needle, but make sure to stitch through the yarn so that you catch some fibers. And this way we have more control over where our stitches go. So now I bring this piece of black embroidery floss through, just leaving it short and long enough to tie together afterwards. And now I'll embroider a little half circle, and to do that I make a vertical stitch on this stitch that I just went through, and again just wanting to make sure I catch a few fibers. So that I have more control over where my stitch goes. But I insert the needle slightly above the exit point of the thread, and it exits here slightly below. Then we pull this through, and before we pull it tight, we go through this loop we just made. And now we made a tiny half circle. It's almost difficult to see because it's so tiny. And to anchor this, we can make a stitch here on the side of the black part of the eye, just to secure that. And I have the needle exit here on top, or it could be below, it doesn't matter. Let's go for the spot below so that the next stitch is similar to the first one. So I insert my needle on the side, the front side of this eye, and have it exit underneath it, very close to where the thread came out before. So this is just to anchor this half circle stitch. And now we make another half circle on the other side. So again, making a vertical stitch in the same spot. And then before we pull it tight, we go through this loop. This time we make sure it lands on the left side or the other side, depending on which one you did first. Then we pull this tight. So now we have another tiny half circle on the other side, and this is so tiny that we already created a full circle, but you might still have a green gap in the center. In that case, we make a final stitch. So now I stitch through on the other side of the eye, and this time I have the needle come out above the eye, but very, very close to it. So this is to anchor this half circle stitch. And now if you have any green spot in the center of this black circle we just embroidered, you can cover it with this final stitch that takes the thread end back to the inside of the head. I will need my pliers to get it out. And that's it, then we can tie these two ends together. And cut them short. So now we'll embroider the white marking behind the eye. And for that we need white embroidery floss. 6 inches or 15 centimeters are more than enough. And we need a large-eyed sewing needle or a darning needle to do the embroidery. So we thread our embroidery floss onto the needle. And if you used safety eyes and skipped the previous step, I just want to mention that it's important to stitch through the fibers of the yarn when embroidering amigurumi, because this way we have more control over where the stitches go, rather than stitching through between stitches. Then there's too much wiggle room for the needle. So we stitch from the inside out underneath the eye, as close to it as possible. And it doesn't have to be exactly underneath, it can be a little bit further towards the back. And the back side is the side where we have the stitch marker and end of the round. And then we can pull this through, leaving a long enough end for tying together. And with our next stitch, we go through above the eye, as close to it as possible, and also moving a little bit further back. If you want, you can also stitch through right above to make the white marking bigger. And then we stitch through to the same spot as before, more or less. Very close to the eye underneath. You can use your pliers to pull out the needle in case it's tricky. And then guide the stitch so that it goes behind the eye. And then we repeat this to make this little half circle a little bit bolder. And with the second repetition, we can go straight through back to the inside of the head and then tie the ends together. And just making sure the stitch goes where we want it to go. And that's it. That's the marking done. So now we can tie these two ends together. and then use the end as filler or trim them short.